Hi, it's Kathleen, and today, it's our birthday, baby! Woo! It has been 1 year since we started thrifting together here on YouTube, so to celebrate, we're at the thrift store. We're looking for something very specific though, so let's go in and let's talk about it. What are we doing at the thrift store today, Kathleen? Great question. We're looking for these so that we can make something like this. To celebrate the 1 year anniversary, I would love to make some team sweaters. You know those like collegiate crew necks that are so popular? Let's do some of those, but for us. First, we just need to find the fabric and the sweatshirts, so let's go. Oh, and did I mention that there's gonna be a giveaway at the end of this video? Or multiple giveaways? Yeah. You're gonna wanna stick around. You know, before I start doing the thing I actually came here to do, gotta look at the shoes. Psych, I already looked at the shoes and whoops. Once again distracted. The sweater vests are out. Ooh, this is very clowncore if I do say so myself. Although I'll be honest with y'all, this is kind of giving Joker vibes, and I don't think I've entered my Joker arc yet. Someday, but not quite yet. Well, I found the crew necks. Just these. Wish me luck. It looks like a jellyfish in a Ramune bottle? Interesting. Okay, this is a great example of what I want to try and make. It looks like this is handmade too. Alright, look through everything. I found 2 blanks. Let's try them on, see how they look, and then we can look at the fabric to make our patches. I'll probably go to another thrift store too. This is not quite gonna do it. And you know by fabric I meant bed sheets and tablecloths and curtains, right? I found this one, so it is Cars branded, but I thought if we cut the letters out of just like the checkerboard, that could be kind of cool. Lime green would be nice too. I'm also gonna look through like the pillowcases and the smaller tablecloths, because it would be great if I could get smaller pieces of fabric. I'd hate to waste a whole bed sheet. I just had a big brain moment. What if we use vintage towels too? A little throwback to when I made those terry cloth shorts. This is a nice color. I've also got some fun stripes. These colors are amazing. I could even just cut out a seagull and put that on something. I really do love this color palette though. Even if we cut a letter out of right here, it'd have a nice little squiggle through it. Interesting. The other good thing about using a towel, especially if it's this hooked texture, is it will look like one of those vintage patches. Okay, the ideas are flowing.
Listen to this piece of music.
It literally fits me perfectly. Okay, maybe the sleeves are like a little bit shorter than I usually like. The shoulders, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, finally, before we go, let me show you the shoes that I found and I really hope fit. And little slip-on loafers. Exciting. So this other person was looking through the crew necks and I was looking through them, and they picked up the only black crew neck with no print on it, and they put it in the return rack. Everyone say thank you to the thrift gods. Thank you, thrift gods. Yes, jackpot. Dude, this is perfect. It even has a little raglan sleeve. Oh my goodness. You're coming home with me. Are you ready to see what I found? Let me show you. So this store was way less organized. Basically, the crew necks were just interspersed in like all of the clothes. So I had to look through a lot. But I did find, I think, the best find of the day so far. Definitely getting this one. It's a medium. I've got just a white one that is newer. It's got a cute little slit down there. Then I'm not so sure about this one, but I kind of like the bleach dye tie-dye. I also found some other things just for me. Let's take a look. I really love this little pink and red long sleeve that I can wear under t-shirts. And then we have our friend here. I feel threatened by the energy. They will not be coming home with me, but thank you for spending time with me. Back to the abyss you go. What better way to start the morning than huffing your freshly cleaned laundry? You want to see what I got? Well, I think you've already seen everything I got, so I'll just do a quick overview. I got a handful of crew necks, and my goal is that I can have 2 to give away and 1 to keep for myself, and that gives me a little bit of wiggle room in case I completely botch any of them, or to do this again in the future if it turns out to be really fun, which I feel like it probably will. For the fabric, I was able to just get this checkerboard fabric in only a pillowcase featuring America's favorite daddy. So that's great. We won't have to waste too much fabric. We got this really hyper color towel. I think this is going to be really fun to work with. Ta-da! And then also, I have fabric already that we could use too. I actually picked these up a long time ago because I was planning to make some of those oversized collars and just like never got around to it. So we have these cute linen pink and orange napkins. We've got options, and I love having options. Oh, I also got the shoes. If you've been watching my channel for any period of time, you probably know that I've been looking for chunky loafers at the thrift store, and I think I found them. I love the slip-on style. I think that makes it so special. These are so cute. I cannot wait to wear these. And of course, I got the leather trench that you saw me try on. It was only $8. Remember last time I was at the thrift store, leather jackets were like $50? Yeah. Anyways, let's get started with our project. Okay, friends, our first victim. So I'm thinking we're gonna combine pink and checkerboard, alternating, and it's gonna say thrift across the front so that somebody can wear this proudly while they are at the thrift store. It was gonna say thrifty, like with a Y on the end, but that might be a little bit too long. I don't know. So I'm gonna print out a little template, and then we're gonna get to cutting and to sewing. It's done. 260. Are we feeling thrifty? For my first attempt, this turned out so cute. I love the color combinations that I chose. You'll notice the thread on some is like a periwinkle blue, some is more of a pink. It works really well. And if you like this, I'm going to be giving it away at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. And if you don't like it, take a walk, Bozo. Bozo. Good morning. Another one is done. So I've learned a lot with these first 2 sweatshirts. Although surprisingly, the second one took me way longer than the first one, even though the first one had more letters and the letters were smaller. Maybe I'm just a bozo. No, the real culprit is that I've been using these spools of thread that I think are vintage. I got them secondhand and they break, I don't know, every 10 seconds. So as much as I want to use secondhand products, I think we can splurge on new thread that won't break. So I figured we could go on a little early morning date in our new crew necks and go get some thread. Should we get coffee? Okay. Who are these fancy gentlemen? Just a couple of proper lads. I just realized I didn't take any actual clips of me buying the stuff in there. But don't worry, I got a bag full of thread that I did buy. I did just put them in my purse. Oh, I promised you coffee? I mean, I didn't promise you coffee, I just asked if you wanted coffee. Okay, we'll go get coffee. Oh, spilled it. Ooh. All right, y'all, let's make our last batch of crew necks. So I want to use this black one and I would like to do a face. I'm thinking either a smiley face or a jack-o'-lantern face since it's spooky season. Now I'm leaning towards the jack-o'-lantern because that is just how I do. But I'm gonna ask on Instagram as well what y'all think. And if you wanna follow me on Instagram to partake in polls in the future or ask for your opinion, you can do that at Kathleen Illustrated. That's probably where I'm most active outside of YouTube. Also, doesn't my Bozo sweatshirt look so good? I'm gonna keep this one. It's for me. But if y'all would want a Bozo sweatshirt in the future, let me know down in the comments as well. I'd be happy to make more. We can just all be Bozos together. Okay, let me post that on Instagram. We're gravy, baby. Maybe I'll just start on another one. I was only planning on making 2 for the giveaway, but while we wait for this to get responses, I'll make another one, I guess. I think I'll just do another Bozo. I'm sure one of y'all would like that. She blows. Our second Bozo crew neck. It's a little small on me. I'm just trying it on to see the placement of the letters. I'm thinking they might need to come in a little bit because they expand quite far across the chest. I don't want them to get lost in the arm fold. But the awesome thing about the stabilizer I used, hold on, let me show you. Hello. Is that it is movable. So once you stick it to the fabric, you can move it around as much as you need and then you set it with steam, aka an iron. So I can move these around on me right now to find that perfect placement. There's just a lot of petting myself that's happening right now. That looks great. Oh my gosh. My iron is heating up and I figured, why don't we see how our Instagram story is doing while we wait? Oh my gosh. Y'all are my people. Jack-o'-lantern is winning by a landslide. The secret desire of my heart came true. All right, once we're done with this Bozo, we'll get started on the jack-o'-lantern. Why did I say that like that? Jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. We've done it, lads. 4 applique custom sweatshirts to celebrate 1 year on YouTube. Together. I'm just so appreciative to all of you for hanging out with me for the last year. Uploading a video every week, well, most weeks, and chatting with y'all in the comments has been honestly the best part of my year. So thank you, and thanks for being you. Ooh, is it feeling Mr. Rogers-y up in here, or is that just me? Now for the most important part, the part you've all been waiting for, the giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away these 3 sweatshirts, and to enter the giveaway, it's super easy. All you gotta do is subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what sweatshirt you would want. First, we've got Thrifty. It's marked an extra large, and I'll post the pit-to-pit measurements in the description box as well, just so you can have a little more context. Next, we've got Bozo, if you want to match me. This is marked a small. I'd say it fits pretty true to size. And finally, we've got our spooky neon jack-o'-lantern, featuring an orange and pink gingham and neon green stitching. Very interesting color palette. I love this one. It's marked in XXL, and it's more of like a French terry material, aka kind of feels like a towel inside. Also, I'm not a professional sewer, so it could be down the line that the thread starts to fray or the edge of the applique starts to come undone a little bit, which I personally think would look pretty cool. But just like temper your expectations, people. Although they look good. I mean, I'm happy to wear it. So if you want to enter that giveaway, pop those comments down below, make sure you subscribe, and I'm gonna pick a winner in 1 week, so next Sunday. And speaking of next Sunday, that's when my next video will be coming up. It's gonna be a fun one. It's a collaboration, and well, I'll just tell you, I'm gonna be turning myself into a cartoon character, so don't miss it. With that, I'll get out of here. I hope you have a great week. Happy anniversary, happy birthday to us all, and I will see you next week. I love you, and I mean it. Okay, bye.